easily generate real-time images that looks exactly like this right here. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate real-time images using this AI tool. So right here guys, this AI tool is Leonardo.ai. With Leonardo.ai you can easily unleash your creativity with the power of the Leonardo AI. So guys, you want to simply create an account and there is no credit card required for this. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily generate real-time images right here. So right here guys, on Leonardo.ai dashboard, you want to simply scroll down and tap onto the real-time generator right here, and it's going to take us right onto this page. So once you're right here guys on this page, the first thing guys, you want to make use of this element. You can decide to make use of a particular element, but guys, in order for you to be able to create an amazing and awesome real-time images, you want to simply make use of all of these elements right here. So right here guys, for your style, you can decide to make use of any of the styles right here, and you can easily select some random seed right here for your video. So right here guys, just simply tap in a prompt. I can decide to make use of this, a young woman, and this is generating this right here. I'm holding a flower, so let's simply make use of this. So guys, if you do not want a style, you can go on to this. We can decide to make this anime right here, and this will be looking amazing. You can decide to change in the style. Let's make this to be cinematic right here, and this is it. So you can easily just put in the particular style you want right there. Let's simply make this to be dynamic. So guys, this is it right here. Now you can easily increase, reset your coloring book. You can make this to be this, your illustration, this, and this, but you can also reset it to 0, but I prefer that you make sure that all of your elements is in 0. Now you can easily select some random seed right here. As you can see, this is it right here. So you can decide to add into your prompt right here, Asian, holding the flower, looking Asian. Let's simply make use of this. And guys, this is so amazing right here. So once you're done, you can easily upscale your images right here, and you can easily go onto your personal feed to view your refined image, or you can easily just download this right into your device. So right here guys, I'm just going to exit this right here and go onto my personal feed. So once you're right here guys on the personal feed, simply tap on that particular image, and this is it right here. So once you simply upscale your real-time images, it's going to take you right onto this page whereby the Alchemy Upscaler will help you improve upscale your images by simply just refining the faces and hands as part of the process. And guys, this is looking so amazing, and you can easily just download this. So guys, this is how you are able to create awesome images right here by making use of the real-time generation in Leonardo.ai to create amazing images that looks exactly like this right here.